I made my Igbangwuoka in a more traditional way. This method of preparing corn pudding is only done by Nsukka people in Enugu State. Come with me to my kitchen. Let me explain how I ended up making my Igbangwu in banana leaves. Hey, this is Dekas and you're welcome to another recipe video. Oh yeah, let's get started. First, let me explain how I ended up using banana leaves. I saw this banana plantation in my neighborhood. I went to beg for some leaves and they actually gave me some. My quest to live a healthy life is in a high level and I won't waste it if I see an opportunity. After cutting the leaves from the tree, make sure to wash and dry before putting the leaves over a fire to steam a bit. If you overheat, you're going to burn the leaves and they will become useless. When I was little, I watched my mom do this method over and over again. It's not easy as it looks, but I feel practice makes for perfection. So we're going to be practicing this method over and over again till we get used to it. When you're done with steaming those leaves, you gently remove it from the stem. Just a sisterly advice, if you're not gentle, you're going to mess everything up. Then you're going to be folding the leaves, tie it down and leave a space up for the pudding. When you're done with everything, you're going to set aside. Now let's get into the preparation of the Igbangwu. I love using dried corn for my Igbangwu. The reason is that it doesn't give me this raw taste in my pudding after preparing. So I cook my corn for a bit, then soak for 3 to 4 hours. Make sure it's soft before using it. So in the corn, before blending, I'm going to be adding onions, peppers, crayfish. So to blend the corn, you're going to blend not so smooth and not rough. Then when you've blended, you're going to be adding in big chopped onions. Also add in your seasoning cubes. All the ingredients used for this food will be listed in the description. You're also going to be adding in good quality palm oil to this batter. We are also going to be adding in our baka and salt to taste to this batter too. So when you're done with adding all your ingredients, you're going to be mixing everything together. You mix till well combined. Let's talk about water consistency. It has to be like seen on the video. Don't make it so watery, it's going to spoil your pudding. Now that we have gotten the right consistency, this is the time to add in your vegetables. And the best vegetable to use for this Igbangwu is the garden egg leaves. You're also going to stir it in very well. If you want to learn or perfect in your African recipes and anything pertaining to baking, pastry, cake, I offer one-on-one training. We are also going to be adding in our scent leaves to spice up our corn pudding. Stir in everything to be well combined. Sometimes in this corn pudding, I add in things like smoked fish or bone marrows. But today I will be adding in bone marrow to my Igbangwu. If you watched up to this, you are loving our recipes. Thank you so much for loving our recipe. Also tell me in the comments, would you want to try out this recipe? When you've mixed very well, it is now time to put in our banana leaves. Tie very well. At this point, you have to be careful and tie the ending of your banana leaves very well. You don't want it bursting in the pot. This is not an easy practice. It's something you have to do continuously to really get used to it. So when you're done with tying it, you're going to be cooking for 40 to 45 minutes and your corn pudding will be ready to be enjoyed. And then you have your delicious corn pudding Igbangwu prepared in a very traditional way. Thank you so much for watching. If you're someone that loves African recipes and health tips, consider yourself subscribing to my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. Bye. See you on the other video.